Hello everyone. Today I'm unboxing a crawler power kit, the SEQUREANTESC ESC V2 ESC, and a 1520 outer rotor brushless motor. There is also a very handy little accessory, the Wi-Fi-Link tuning tool. This power kit is specifically designed for small-scale crawlers in 1/24th, 1/18th, and 1/16th scales. It's very compact, so installing it won't disrupt the car's original weight distribution or center of gravity. It's ideal whether you're modifying your car or upgrading a stock model. The accessories were quite complete. ANT ESC V2 X1 1520 motor X1 Wi-Fi-Link X1 PH 2.0 to JST cable X1 PH 2.0 to MX 2.0 cable X1 3M adhesive tape X1 cable ties X2 0.3 M24T gear X1 0.4 M16T gear X1 0.4 M11T gear X1. The cables and gears are all included, so you can basically install them right out of the box without having to buy any additional parts. Let's start with the ESC. The first highlight is its water and dust resistance. The circuit board is sealed with potting compound, and the outer aluminum shell helps dissipate heat, allowing it to easily handle muddy and wet environments. The second feature is the electronic switch. Press it once to turn it on, and press and hold to turn it off, eliminating the wear and tear associated with traditional mechanical switches. The third is the BEC output, which supports 4 adjustable voltage levels: 6 volt, 7.4 volt, 8.4 volt, and 12 volt, with a continuous current of 5A. This is especially useful if you're using high-power servos, as it provides more powerful steering. Specifications: supports 2 to 4 S-LiPo batteries, with a continuous current of 60 ampere and a peak current of 120 ampere. It measures just 17.3 times 11 millimeters and weighs 16.6 grams, with a cable included. Now let's take a look at this 1520 motor. It's an outer rotor brushless motor. It features high-quality bearings, a hardened motor shaft, a reinforced metal outer rotor, and high-temperature resistant magnets. In short, it's highly efficient and low power. The kilovolt rating is 3500 kilovolt, and it operates on a 2 to 3 S-LiPo battery. The output shaft is 2.0 millimeters in diameter and 9 millimeters long. The motor itself measures only 15.8 times 20.7 millimeters and weighs 16.8 grams. It is very compact. This ESC supports parameter adjustment via a smartphone or computer. With the Wi-Fi-Link tool, simply plug it into the ESC and connect your smartphone to the Wi-Fi. You can wirelessly adjust parameters such as motor timing, brake force, throttle mode, low voltage protection, and overheat protection. Here's a summary of the SEQUREANTESC ESC V2 plus 1520 motor set. Compatible with 1/24, 1/18, and 1/16 scale crawlers. Waterproof and dustproof, handles muddy and wet conditions with ease. Electronic switch, durable and hassle-free. Adjustable BEC, supports high-torque servos. Mobile phone tuning, user-friendly for both beginners and experienced users. Ready to install right out of the box, comes with all necessary accessories. It offers good value for the price. If you're interested, check it out. See you next time.